Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make an icing cream without using butter. So let's get started. The ingredients will be half cup icing sugar, 4 egg whites, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. First of all, we need to separate the egg whites from its yolk. Just jiggle the egg back and forth until the yolk is separated from the white. Just like this. Here I am using a medium-sized bowl. Now let's do the same with the rest of the eggs. And now using an electric hand mixer, let's beat the egg whites for 5 minutes. Just keep beating the egg until soft peak forms. And here after beating for 2 minutes, soft peaks have formed. Let's beat it for a few more minutes until hard peaks form. Just keep beating, that's the important of all. And here the hard peaks have formed. So it's the right time to add the icing sugar. Remember, 1 spoon at a time, just the way you are watching in the video. Add 1 spoon, then mix. Just keep mixing and adding. And if you want your icing to be other color, so right now you can add a few drops of food coloring. After this many pouring and mixing, now finally this will be the last spoon. Let's pour it and mix. Now for the last step, let's add the vanilla and now mix. Now scrape down the sides and mix for the last time. So now the icing is ready. I'm just gonna put it in the piping bag. Until that, you go and watch today's healthy tips, and I will be back soon. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C. They also contain polyphenols, which may have numerous health benefits. They may aid weight loss in several ways. They are also particularly filling due to their high fiber content. Apples have several naturally occurring compounds that may help fight cancer. Observational studies have linked them to a lower risk of cancer and death from cancer. Here I have poured the half of the icing in a piping bag, and now I am gonna pipe out some regular designs. Done. As you can see, the icing is hard and stiff, it won't flow. And you can decorate your cake with any kind of designs you want. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, cause my next video is going to be spongy vanilla cake. If you don't want to miss it, just go subscribe and ring the bell. I'm sure you will be notified very soon. Now bye and see you in my next video.